is Akhilesh in front of you from the new channel of Sai Educare. I am going to start give a class as far as the whole world of English is met by 5 words. I am going to make you clear. इंग्लिश की रहस्य क्या है, इंग्लिश बना कहाँ से है. सबसे पहली क्वेश्चन ये उठती है. लोग कभी ये बोलते हैं कि शेक्सपियर इसके फादर हैं, कुछ लोग बोलते हैं टेंथ इसके फादर हैं, कुछ लोग बहुत सारी चीजें बोलते हैं. बट मैं आपके सामने कुछ नया लेकर के आया हूँ. देखिए, अगर आपको पसंद आए तो. सी, पूरे दुनिया का इंग्लिश 5 शब्दों से बनाई गई है. वो पहला शब्द होता है जिसका नाम है ऑर्थोग्राफी, जिसकी हिंदी होती है वर्ण विचार. दूसरा शब्द है एटिमोलॉजी, जिसकी हिंदी होती है शब्द विचार. तीसरा शब्द है सिंटैक्स, जिसकी हिंदी होती है वाक्य विचार. चौथा शब्द है पंक्चुएशन, जिसकी हिंदी होती है चिन्ह विचार. पांचवा शब्द है प्रोसोडी, जिसकी हिंदी होती है छंद विचार. आई मीन टू मेक यू क्लियर, these 5 words are totally complementary between each other. See, complementary, contemporary, these all are equally equivalent between each other. I mean to make it clear, no one is the teacher of English, no one was the teacher of English, no one will be the teacher of English. The best teacher of English is one that is your vocabulary. It means dictionary is the best teacher of everywhere, the one you can trust, and that is one and only, the name is dictionary. जिसके पास जितना से ज्यादा vocabulary होगा वही इंग्लिश का सबसे अच्छा ज्ञान जानता है. आपको पता होना चाहिए दोस्तों, पूरे इंडिया में इंग्लिश लोग लिखते हैं, बोलते नहीं है. बोलते तो हिंदी है. Why? Because even English depends upon 2 words, that is symbol and sound. Symbol, it means written. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है मयंक. सपोज हमने मयंक लिखा तो MAYANK. While reading this particular sound, it depends sound, spoken, accent, pronunciation, जिसको हम उच्चारण बोलते हैं. तो वो तो हिंदी में ही बोला जाता है मयंक. Okay? See, I will teach you orthography, etymology, syntax, punctuation, prosody, part by part. It will take time to time. Okay? Now I am here. If a person who doesn't know the English, who doesn't write the English, who doesn't have any idea how to write the English, how to speak the English, they will start to do 3 works. वो दुनिया में 3 काम करना शुरू करे तो कोई भी एक नॉर्मल सा इंसान भी अच्छी इंग्लिश बोल सकता है. See, suppose if a student reads every day half an hour, they can enhance their accent, they can enhance their pronunciation. Okay? Such we can say that how to sound the word of anywhere, just be a sound of R, concept of R. You can take the example of R. Okay? If R comes in the last of a word, R never gives the sound of R, it gives the sound of A. Such we can say that SIR. Okay? SIR, sir. Okay? So its a sound is sir. If R comes in middle before consonant, so R also gives the sound of A. Okay? Such we can say that perfect, PERFECT. Perfect लोग बोलते हैं, इसका sound होता है perfect. If R comes in middle before vowel, so it gives the sound of R, like pro, PRO, BRO, brother, brother. Okay? इस तरह से आप पढ़ेंगे तो आपकी रीडिंग क्लियर हो जाएगी. Second work, to do a mirror practice. It means from that you can enhance your gesture, posture, your body language. And third, just write about the day. Every day you must have to write English. Then and there you can improve your English very easily. For that, I am trying my level best to give a class. I'm going to end this class for today. And I hope if you just find good thing by side, just try to select my channel. And that's it. Thank you.